Hello friends, welcome back to Corporate Skiller channel. In this video, we will try to understand the bookmark feature in Power BI.
Bookmark allows the creator of the dashboard to help its user to instinctively navigate through the dashboard.
Let's refer to the dashboard to understand it better.
The dashboard which we would be referring is a simple sales dashboard with different KPIs mentioned. There are two tabs here. One is dashboard sales for India, and then there is a duplicate tab of the same India tab. I have made some changes in the formatting for India and China. The idea here is to have two tabs. One is dashboard sales for India, showcasing only KPIs related to India, and another one is dashboard sales China, which would be showing details only relevant to China. Bookmark feature will allow the user to toggle between these two details without having to go between these two tabs.
Let's see how to do it seamlessly.
So we have hidden the duplicate dashboard sales tab and we would be only keeping the dashboard sales India tab. But what we would be doing is we will be renaming this to sales dashboard.
We will now be using the bookmark feature to navigate through the tabs.
To activate the bookmark feature, go into view, click on the bookmark. This will then activate the bookmark feature. We have two tabs here. Now the one tab which is currently active is the India tab. What we have to do is go in the bookmarks, click on add. So this will create a bookmark that is a screenshot of the India tab. Now what we will do is we will also rename this to India tab. Similarly, we will go into the duplicate tab and click on add and rename this to China tab. The next step would be to go into insert buttons, and in the buttons click on blank, and this will create a button here. Now drag this button into China here, make sure it covers almost the entire thing. And now what you have to do is go into style. In this style you have to deactivate the border because the user don't want to see the border. And then what you have to do is you have to click on the action, and when the action gets on, you have to go into type, and in the type you have to make sure that you select bookmark, and here in the bookmark you have to select the China. Similarly, you have to go into this tab and do it for India as well. We will do it quickly for India here. So with this we have added the bookmark into buttons. So now when this particular dashboard is published into the server, what the user would be only able to see the sales dashboard here, and he would be able to see these two tabs. And when he wants to go from India to China, he has to just click on this China here, and when he has to get back to India, you have to just click on India again. So it makes very easy for the user to navigate between these two tabs, very instinctive. And this bookmark feature can be used for a variety of other reasons like we have seen now.
I hope you found the video very useful. Do subscribe and like to my videos for more videos on Power BI, and thank you for watching.